Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that is class is your 174th. This has been the arithmetical ability, where we have to discuss about the pipes and cistern. This is the 16th topic that we'll discuss in the same, and that the last topic, 15th topic that we had done is your time and work, and that has also been the important one, so you will have to go for the same, and that has been the important for the competition as well. And in the pipe and system, we had even though started with this in the last classes, so we'll continue with the same. And in the last classes we had done your questions, and which is we had done your 11th questions in the last. So today we'll discuss about the 12th question of the session in 174th class of the session. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and then you can also enjoy the video as well. Coming towards 12th question. So the question is, a water tank is 2/5 full. Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 minutes and pipe B can empty it in 6 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank completely? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. So the options is 6 minutes to empty, 6 minutes to fill, 9 minutes to fill, none of these, and 9 minutes to empty as well. This has been asked in the bank PO, so you have to go ahead in a detail, so we'll go for the same. A water tank is 2/5 full. Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, and pipe B can empty it in 6 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank completely? This has been asked in the bank PO. That's what we'll have. Let's find out the solution. The options for the same is 6 minutes to empty, 6 minutes to fill, 9 minutes to empty, 9 minutes to fill, and none of these. So we go for the same, that we have as follows. Let's find it out. Clearly, part B is faster than pipe A. Pipe B is faster than pipe A, and so the tank will be emptied it has been emptied. So emptied part to be here, that is part to be emptied is equals to 2/5. Now part emptied by a plus b in 1 minute, which is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 equals to 1 upon 15. So 1 upon 15 ratio 2 by 5 ratio 1 ratio x, or x equals to 2 by 5 into 1 into 15, which is equals to 6 minutes. Now, so the tank will be emptied in, so the tank will be emptied in 6 minutes. Okay. Now we go for the next question. That is of course an important one. And the another important question is 13th question of the session. 13th question we have: pipe A can fill a tank in 5 hours, pipe B in 10 hours, and pipe C in 30 hours. If all the pipes are open, in how many hours will the tank be filled? This has been asked in the CBI examination paper. Options were 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So we go for it. Pipe A can fill a tank in 5 hours, pipe B in 10 hours, and pipe C in 30 hours. If all the pipes are open, in how many hours will the tank be filled? This has been asked in CBI examination paper. Options were 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. We go for the same. Here. Part filled by A plus B plus C in 1 hour, which is equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30, which is equals to 1 by 3. So all the 3 pipes together will fill the tank in 3 hours. So the answer is all the 3 pipes together will fill the tank in 3 hours. Let's go for another question. So the next question, we have your 14th question. And the 14th question is being as follows. Pipe A and B can fill the tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. If all the 3 pipes are open together, then the tank will be filled in. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. Options were 1, 13 by 17 hours, 2, 8 by 11 hours, 3, 9 by 17 hours, and 4, 1 by 2 hours. So we go for the same. Here we go. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. If all the three pipes are open, together, then the tank will be filled in. So the options, as I told you, 1 13 by 17 hours, 2 8 by 11 hours, 3 9 by 17 hours, 4 1 by 2 hours. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that what will have to answer it out here itself. So here we go. So let's find out the solution. Net part filled in 1 hour. Equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12, which is equals to 17 upon 60. So the tank will be full in 60 by 17 hours, that is 3 9 by 17 hours. Now we go for another question. That is of course being the important one. So the question we have is the 15th question of the session, and that the question we have as follows. The question is, 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the 3 pipes are opened, and ABC discharge chemical solution PQR respectively. What is the proportion of solution R in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes? This has been the typical question, and that has been asked in the DMRC paper, and of course that has been an important one, so that you have to go for it. So the options for this particular question is 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11 and 8 by 11. So that we have to answer it out. Let's go for the same, and that has been the very important one. So 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, in the same way, and tank is empty. So respectively, when the tank is empty here, all the 3 pipes are opened. A, B and C discharge chemical solution. P, Q and R respectively. What is the proportion of solution? What is the proportion of solution B, AR in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes? This has been asked in the DMRC. So the options for the same is 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11 and 8 by 11. So we'll find it out here and for the same. So part filled by A plus B plus C in 3 minutes, which is equals to 3, 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 equals to 3 into 11 by 60. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 20. So 11 by 20 here. Now part filled by C in 3 minutes is equals to 3 by 10, and required ratio equals to 3 by 10 into 20 by 11. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 3 twos are 6. So it will be 6 by 11. That will be the answer for this particular question. Now we move ahead and we'll talk about another question, that is being the 16th question of the session. So the 16th question we have here as follows. That is also being important one because that has also been asked in SSC examination paper. The question is, two pipes A and B can separately fill a cistern in 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. There is a third pipe in the bottom of the cistern to empty it. If all the three pipes are simultaneously opened, then the cistern is full in 50 minutes. In how much time the third pipe alone can empty the cistern? This has been asked in SSC examination paper, and the options for the same we have here is 90 minutes, 100 minutes, 110 minutes and 120 minutes. Let's go for the same and we'll find out the solution for here. Let's go for 16th question of the session. So 16th question, here we go. So the question we have, two pipes A and B can separately filled a cistern in 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. There is a third pipe in the bottom. The bottom of the cistern, to empty it. If all the three pipes are simultaneously opened, then the cistern is full. In 50 minutes. In how much time? The third pipe alone can empty the cistern. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. So that has been the important one. The options for the same is 90 minutes, 100 minutes, 110 minutes and 120 minutes. So we go for the solution here. So here we go. Work done by the third pipe in 1 minute. Work done by the third pipe in 1 minute, which is equals to 1 upon 50 minus 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 75, which is equals to 1 upon 50 minus 3 upon 100, which is equals to minus 1 upon 100. So that negative signs means emptied. So the third pipe alone can empty. The cistern in 100 minutes. Now we talk about for the next one, which has been in another question, and that is the 17th question of the session. So the question we have here: a pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of the leak, it took 1/3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water of the tank in. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options for the same is 4 1/3 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours and 14 hours. And so let's find it out the solution here. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of the tank leak, it took 1/3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water of the tank is. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. So the options were for 1 by 3 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours and 14 hours. So we'll find out the solution here, so that we'll be getting it out the answer here for you all. Please, it's a huge request, please solve all the questions by your side, so that it will understood to you that are you able to solve all these type of questions or not, because the mostly 99% questions that what we are dealing is that that those question has been coming in the examination paper. So please like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. So now we go for the solution. Work done by the league in 1 hours equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7, which is equals to 1 upon 14. So leak will empty the tank in 14 hours. Okay, so that what we'll get the answer here. So these some of the questions were very quick to answer, but some of the question it take times. So you have to focus on all, because you don't know which question will come in your examination paper. So you have to solve all the questions that I had given you as practice, and you will just solve those, so that you will get to know. Now here today we'll be ending it up. We'll discuss the rest of the question, that is from 18th question. Will start in the next coming class, in your 175 class of the session. And but before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at advance, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. 18th question I will tell you, so that if you are able to solve it out, you solve it out at your home, so that you will be get to know that are you able to or not. Otherwise I will be providing you this solution in the next coming class, you will get to it. The question is 18th question. Two taps A and B can fill a tank in 5 hours and 20 hours respectively. If both the taps are open, then due to the leakage, it took 30 minutes more to fill the tank. If the tank is full, how long will it take for the leakage alone to empty the tank here? Options I told you for 1 by 2 hours, 9 hours, 18 hours and 36 hours. So ending it up, and before ending it up, we are dealing with the chemistry for class 11th part 1 we had done. Chemistry part 2 for class 11th we are dealing here. Physics part 1 for class 11th NCERT we are dealing here. We had done your reasoning, we had completed your verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning as well. In terms of it, we had done your DPMS, that is of ER diagrams. We are dealing with the English vocabulary. We will start after quantitative aptitude. We'll start discussing about the bank PO, important for competition, and the bank examination, that those questions in one class will discuss. And after that we are dealing with your CBNST, which is computer based numerical and statistical technique. Coming towards your quantitative aptitude, yes, here we had started with arithmetical ability. In that we had done your numbers, operations on numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations on mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skulls, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations. Then we will discuss about the probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man odd series. In the second section, that is data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. Thank you. Please share and like our video.